Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 8th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, we have a legal battle brewing as Musi, a popular music streaming app, has filed a lawsuit against Apple. The app was removed from the App Store following a complaint from YouTube, leaving millions of users in the lurch. Musi claims the removal was unjustified, based on vague accusations from YouTube, and is now seeking reinstatement and damages. This case could set a precedent for future app disputes, drawing significant attention from both tech and music industries. In other news, Apple is reportedly shifting away from its traditional annual product release strategy. Speculation is rife about the release of new products like the M4 Max and updated iPads. Analysts suggest Apple might be adopting a more flexible approach, allowing more time to refine its offerings. This shift could be a response to the evolving tech landscape and consumer demands for innovation. Additionally, there's growing interest in Apple's AI advancements, with expectations for new initiatives alongside hardware releases. Speaking of new products, Apple is facing a significant leak regarding an unannounced 14-inch MacBook Pro with an M4 chip. Alleged photos and videos have surfaced online, reminiscent of the infamous iPhone 4 leak. This model is speculated to be an entry-level version, potentially launching in November 2024. The leak raises questions about Apple's response, given its culture of secrecy and the potential impact on its product launch strategy. On the software front, Apple, in collaboration with USC, has published a paper on machine learning methods to enhance gender translation options in iOS 18. The research addresses challenges in gendered languages, proposing a semi-supervised method using large language models. This approach aims to improve gender accuracy in translations, representing a significant step forward in addressing biases in machine translation. The datasets are publicly available on GitHub, contributing to ongoing efforts in language processing. For app enthusiasts, Subtitly, LiveMeet Captions is a new app on the Mac App Store offering real-time subtitles for meetings and media. Developed by Tools Products FZ LLC, it works with platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, enhancing accessibility and communication. The app processes data locally, ensuring privacy, and is free to download with optional in-app purchases. Lastly, the Couples Expense Tracker app is here to help couples manage their finances together. It offers features like bill tracking, expense analytics, and debt consolidation. Available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, it supports family sharing and provides a week-long free trial. The app's privacy practices ensure data is not linked to user identity, making it a practical tool for financial management. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.